This is a very important day, a day where we celebrate the rights of every living human being because everyone is a consumer and we are celebrating the rights of the consumer. Consumer has a right to consume goods that are free from any harm and we are seeing that as we as the country have been observing over the past few years, the increase in smuggled goods, the increase in counterfeit goods. These are goods that are not subjected to the usual checks and inspections that are meant to ensure the protection of our consumers. And you'll notice that towards the end of last year, we launched the Zimbabwe Industrial Reconstruction and Growth Plan, and in it we anchor the importance of going back to normal, of dealing with business malpractices, counterfeit products, and the informality in general in the economy. And we would have seen that from the last quarter last year, we have been intensifying our efforts. So we have been dealing with the issues of smuggling quite a lot, and you might have heard the Minister of Local Government last week giving an ultimatum, particularly to those people who come at night to set up business, trying to avoid all manner of authority that could be there. And this is very dangerous for our consumers because we don't know what they are selling or where they are getting the goods that they are selling. Are they checked health-wise? Are they checked in terms of conformance to the measurements as they should be? So we will be taking stern measures as government to make sure that the consumer rights are protected all the way. I wouldn't have the quantities of what has been confiscated because this is done also at devolved levels, the border posts and ports of entry, in the roadblocks. What I know we have done is to forge a good partnership with local authorities so that these are sustainable, are disposed. So we have got a firm partnership again with the Pomona here, but also it is devolved. So we do not have a consolidated figure of the quantity of what has been confiscated, but suffice to say that we are very firm, and these are things we don't want to be doing. That's why we give due warning to our people. We want them to be in business. I respect the entrepreneurial spirit of our people, but let's do so without compromising the rights of our consumers. That's why we want them to subject these goods through the necessary checks and balances that the government has put in place for our consumers.